Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn how to multiply and divide fractions step by step without calculator. Today you will learn two important skills, multiplying and dividing fractions. They're very common on the ASVAB. A fraction represents part of whole. The top of number is numerator, the bottom number is denominator. Fraction bar is horizontal line, means division. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators together and denominators together. For example, 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 5. We multiply numerators 3 times 1 and multiply denominators 4 times 5 equals 3 over 20. The second example, 7 eighths multiplied by 3 fourths. We multiply numerators and we multiply denominators together. We have 21 over 32. Let's multiply 2 over 3 by 4 over 5. Step 1. Multiply together numerators. And step 2. Multiply together denominators. It is equals 8 over 15. It is answer for our example. Before multiplying, you can simplify by cancelling common factor. For example, what is 6? 6, it is 2 times 3. And we have 3, what is 3? 3, it is 3 times 1. So now you can cancel common factor 3. And you will have 1 over 8 times 1 over 2. Now we multiply numerators together and denominators together. We have 1 over 16. After simplifying, multiply to get a smaller and easier answer. So what is, you can write 3 like 3 times 1, 6, it is 2 times 3. We can cancel out 3. And finally we have 2 times 2, 1 times 5. So final answer 4 over 5. To divide fraction, keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 5. We keep the first fraction, we change division to multiplication, we flip the second fraction, and we have finally 3 times 5, 15 over 8. Improper fraction must be converted into mixed number. So we have 15 divided by 8. Quotient equals 1. 1 times 8, it is minus 8 equals 7. So now quotient 1 goes to be whole part. 7 remainder goes to be numerator. And 8 denominator. We keep denominator. You can see given fraction and mixed number has the same denominator. So answer 1, 7 over 8. It is correct answer. Avoid this common mistake to get correct answer. Adding instead of multiplying. Forgetting to flip. Not simplifying. Try solving these problems on your own before checking the answer and my explanation. Number 1. We combine numerators and we multiply denominators. We have answer 3 over 8. The second example. We have 5 over 6 times 2 over 3. You can see what is 6. 6, it is 2 times 3. You can cancel out 2. And finally you have 5, 3 times 3. It is equals 5 over 9. Next example. 3 over 5 divided by 1/2. 3 over 5, we have to what? Change sign and flip the second fraction. So now we have 6 over 5. We cannot leave answer an improper fraction. We must convert to mixed number. It will be 1/5. Next example, 7, 8 multiplied by 4 over 7. You can see we can cancel out 7 and we can cancel out 4. 4 and it would be 2. So now we have 1 over 2. Check your answer. If you got them right, great job. This is 1/5. Thank you for watching and see you soon.